Hey there, explorers! Did you know that tiny farms like this might just be using robots and computers to help grow food? Yep, you heard me right. Robots on farms. Come on, let's take a closer look and discover how farming is changing with technology. Whoa! Watch out for that cow! You know, farms used to just be about planting seeds, watering crops, and taking care of animals. Farmers did everything with their own hands and sometimes got really dirty. But now, something amazing is happening. Robots are helping farmers grow our food in brand new ways. Meet Robbie the Robo-Farmer. He's a real-life helper on the farm. Robbie can plant seeds perfectly in the ground, water the crops, and even pick the vegetables when they're ready. And you know what? He never gets tired or needs a snack break like us humans. They don't get tired, they don't need to sleep. No bedtime for robots. Robbie also knows exactly how much water each plant needs. He even talks to other robots on the farm to figure out the best time to water and pick the crops. How cool is that? But do you know what makes robots really interesting? Their brains. Well, they don't have a brain like us, but they have something just as cool. Artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is like giving a robot a super-duper smart brain. Kind of like a digital brain. AI helps robots understand things, and even learn new things. It's like giving them superpowers. It helps robots like Robbie think and make decisions. For example, the AI on this farm can check if the crops are getting enough sunlight, if they're thirsty, or if they're feeling a little under the weather. Imagine a robot like a helpful friend made of metal and wires. Robots can look like all sorts of things. Some might have arms and legs, like humans, and others might be small, like toys. Ever talk to Siri or Alexa? They're not humans, they're AI. You ask them a question, and they can give you an answer. But no, they won't do your homework. Here's a little history lesson. Don't worry, it's fun. Once upon a time, long, long ago. Well, not that long, like maybe when your grandparents were kids, people started imagining what it would be like if we had machines that could think for themselves. In the 1940s, the first computers were born. These were big machines that took up entire rooms. People used them to do math problems faster than any human ever could. It was a big deal back then. But computers couldn't think on their own yet. That's where scientists and inventors came in. In the 1950s, some really smart people thought, hey, what if we could teach computers to think like humans? That's how the idea of AI began. Fast forward to today, we now have robots that can walk, talk, and even tell jokes. There are even robots that look like dogs. They can run, jump, and even do flips. Robots don't have feelings. At least, not yet. They can't get sad, mad, or happy like us, but they can pretend. If you ever heard a robot tell you have a great day, they're just being polite. In the future, we might see robots doing all kinds of amazing things, like helping build farms, making food, or taking you for a hayride. Maybe one day we'll have robots that can be our friends or work with us in school or at home. Sounds fun, right? AI helps farmers grow more food faster and even better than before. Isn't that amazing? And guess what? AI can even fly drones, like this little guy right here. This drone checks the plants from above, making sure they're healthy. It's like having a bird's eye view of the farm, but way cooler. But here's something super interesting. Even though robots and AI are super helpful, the most important thing on the farm is still the farmers. Yep. The people who care for the animals and plants and use the technology to make sure everything's going smoothly. See? Sometimes, no matter how smart the robots are, we still need people to show kindness and love. Technology can do a lot, but it can't replace a caring heart. Even with all the cool robots and AI, farming is still about caring for the land, the animals, and the food we grow. Technology helps us, but it's our love for nature that really makes a difference. So remember, the next time you eat a yummy apple or a fresh carrot, a whole lot of teamwork goes into growing it. Robots, AI, and most importantly, people just like you and me. Wow! We learned so much today about farming, robots, AI, and how technology is helping us grow food in super cool ways. But we also learned that kindness and people are still at the heart of it all. Want to build a robot one day? If you think robots are cool, maybe one day you can help build one. You could create a robot that helps with homework, makes the best pizza, or plays with you whenever you want. The world of AI and robots is full of imagination and creativity. Thanks for joining me, and I can't wait to see you on our next adventure. Don't forget to watch the next video and share it with a friend if you had fun today. See you next time, Tiny Explorers, for another amazing adventure. Remember, no matter how small you are, you can always have a big adventure. Until next time. Keep dreaming big and exploring the wonderful world around you.